Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making orange chocolate loaf from Florida. This recipe is something that I found online because I was craving chocolate and orange together. And there are very few recipes out there, so we're gonna make this one. It comes together very quickly. After the cake has baked, you put an orange glaze on top and let it soak into the cake. Let's do this. We're also making it because how sweet it is, chocolate with orange. It's perfection in one taste. How sweet it is, something you don't want to waste. Wait, what? I'm wasting time. Let's get to it. Sift together 1 1/4 cups of flour. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa, 1 cup of sugar, the secret ingredient in this recipe is to use heavy cream instead of butter. 1 cup going in, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Beat until it can hold its shape. Once the cream can hold a shape, we're going to add on low speed 1 egg at a time for a total of 2 eggs. Add the sifted ingredients a little bit at a time. Once the batter is smooth, go ahead and stop your mixer and we're going to mix in the zest by hand. Zest from 1 orange. Grease a 4.5 by 8.5 loaf pan, or it could be 9 by 5. The recipe calls to put breadcrumbs in the interior. I'm not doing that, and I think it's going to turn out just fine. Level it off. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The bake time is 1 hour and 5 minutes. It should come out clean with a toothpick or a paring knife, so be sure that it does before you fully take it out. While the cake is baking, let's go ahead and make the glaze. This is 1/3 cup of orange juice from that orange I zested. Let's add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir together. Let this sit while the cake bakes. The sugar and the orange juice will mix together, and then we're going to glaze the top of the cake with this, and it's going to soak in and be so wonderful. It's been 1 hour. Let's check it. It is nice and bouncy as it should be. Knife is coming out clean. Let's take it out. Let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we're going to start putting that glaze on. While the cake continues to cool, little by little, brush on that lovely glaze / syrup we made. Let it soak in. Now that it's cooled down, let's turn it over. I'm going to use a piece of wax paper to grab it, and then I'm going to flip it back over. Look how nicely this baked. It's even got a little bit of a shine from that glaze we added on. Let's cut it open. Oh my, look at that. full inspection time. Do you see those orange flecks in there? That is that lovely orange zest we added. Smells chocolatey, rich, delicious. Let's taste it. Calling all orange chocolate lovers, this cake is for you. It is rich with the chocolate flavor, and that orange zest sort of comes all around it and is so good. Yum! I'll be eating this all summer. If I can make this orange chocolate loaf for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more.